umalis kasi hindi natin makukuha yun.
Damig ng mukha ko.
Tama, ang galing ko na,
Hindi lang
no?
makatawa. Si Jenny, nakasteady lang mukha.
Ay, sino yan?
Bakit?
Happy shoutout sa iyo, ma'am.
Hindi, paano gagawin ko nito?
Wait lang.
Nakalag.
May gusto akong kapiki.
Paano to? Steady lang ito.
Ay,
Dubayan na to pag ganito, guys.
cardiac yata. Eh, guys, di ako, this past few, hindi ako nagla-live. Busy kasi eh.
Hi.
Hello, C.
Hi.
Rachel, wag na nga.
Baka kasi hindi phone ang kailangan.
Guys, let's go. Tap the screen. Landami. Ay, ano pala siya? Cut pala siya, girl. Pilit ako dami. Takaaki! Arigato.
Ay, Pinoy pala. Ate, taga saan ka?
Nalisan ako, girl.
Mute ba? Mute?
Siya, hinga mo na yan. Hindi na. Dati na yung pang-gawin.
Puti na naman music mo. Dapat walang hassle at walang patid na
Hi, Ma'am Jen.
Thanks for the follow, guys.
Get 3 months of Spotify Premium for 85 pesos.
Ah, vlogger.
Anytime. Tap the banner to learn more.
Bumay ako sa tutorial.
May solid na playlist. Walang sabit, laging lit. Kahit offline.
Vlogger pala siya.
Ultimate Jam. Download and enjoy non-stop music guiding sa app.
Yes.
3 months of Spotify Premium for 85 pesos. Cancel anytime. Tap the banner to learn more.
Hi, Danny.
Guys, meron
Guys,
akong
share the
bagong
live.
Ang ganda. Ang tagal niyang dumating.
Share the live, guys. We thank you for the follow. Thanks. Huwag niyo yung woman. Woman.
I can be your woman. Let me be your woman.
Woman.
I can be your
Yung nakamute. Nakamute ba ako? Hello, Sir Junry. Hello. How are you?
RB, thank you. Aga mo pa lang yun, ah.
Pinoy, hey. Ano? Ay.
Kain, guys.
Thank you, Sir Jun.
Ang tamis. Feeling ko I need to put more ice.
Hello, Angeli. Hello, John Dave. Hello, Syrvie.
Wala, inutusan pa.
Hello, pretty girl.
Happy birthday. Hi, Junray. Bawal mag-spam.
Makikita niyo gusto niyo, makita yung laro ko o makita yung map.
Maano ako, shadow ban.
Ay, nagaganon ba yun?
Kung gusto niyo ba?
Ano yung shadow ban? Ano yun? Paano siya? Pag nag-i-spam?
Remy. Guys, bawal mag-spam. Q, where are you?
Ganun ba yun? Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Snipe. Snipe, guys. Guys, snipe, guys.
Lalo mo na.
Q, let's go, Q. Where have you been? Oh my God, snipe! Ah,
Mute tayo.
Remy.
Thank you!
We lose.
Truly.
Ano nga? Ano yung shadow ban? Paano siyang ano? Paano siyang nasa shadow ban?
Join.
Hi.
Hello!
How are you?
Hi! I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Guys,
Yeah,
Saps, I see that you're here. Thank you so much.
Where are you from? Where are you
I'm just
from?
gonna rotate to more exposure.
Where are you from? Lara!
Okay. Okay, guys, first gift is Stubbles. I am born.
Thank you, Ma'am Jen. Yun pala yun. Ganun pala.
Gang, lot of bitches in the ice chain. While you claim that you rich, that's a false claim. I'll be straight to the whip, no baggage claim. Whole lot of styles, can't even pronounce the name. You ain't got no style, see you on my.
Okay, guys, tap.
Only when I'm taking pictures.
Yes, Saps, I can eat this week, bro. But Saps today has been very quiet. But when it's quiet, I usually rotate with like randoms. It usually helps a
Nakakita ko
lot.
nung.
Hi, Bin Ahmed.
Bakit?
Usually helps a lot. So let's just do that.
Like a spray tan.
So what kind?
Oh yeah, in the city, love my name, nigga. I ain't gotta say it. She can get a taste. She can get a taste. Fuck what a nigga say. It's all the same like Mary Kate. She can get a taste. Let you get a taste. Do you got a taste? Yeah, that's cool.
That's only today. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday was really good. Like it was more than amazing to me. But today has been horrible to me, to be honest. Man, thank you, Sasmin. Thank you. Like horrible.
Ora,
But
sabi
the thing
na
is, I said this
natanghali.
before. Like when Thursdays are bad, usually
Ano
Fridays
daw?
are really good. And I rather have. Thank you, Hassan. I rather have a really good Friday than a really good Thursday and a bad Friday, because like Friday, if you have a good Friday, you're like in the mood to go out and see your friends, blah blah. When you have a bad Friday on TikTok, you just want to lay in your bed. So today I laid in my bed all day,
nakamute
so it's
na
like
daw.
good that's not going good.
Okay
So
lang.
tomorrow, inshallah, if God wants, it's gonna go so good, so I can go out. My mood switches off and on, you know.
Hello, Ja, watching from Dubai. Wow, shal.
Like a fucking Nike, me not icy, that's unlikely.
Guys, double point.
Me like a fucking high C. Chains on the neck for the whole team. And I feel like Gucci with the ice cream. And my bitch with the 50, not the Maybelline.
Alam mo ba ka?
Ayun! Oh, daw yata.
Brad Kelly. Guys,
Kahit
that's
walang
an
food doon.
You know what I got friends, some girls with them told me you ain't got a preference. And I'm both down tonight.
Hello, Alduri.
Had last week and they already best friends, already best
Thank you, Brad Kelly.
friends. Last week and they
Already best friends.
friends.
Ano ba?
Last week and they already best
Thank you, Brad Kelly.
She's a joy to stay freshman. Told her I'ma pull up at your place at 10. Girl, you look good, I would risk everything. Make me forget what safe sex is. I'ma finish right now. I don't take breaks in. I recommend you.
Lunara, thank you!
I'm off like you off me. Told me to say something that you do off
Thank you, thank you, thank you guys.
Use caution.
Just saying, you know, like,
Pass the way something.
questions and last week and they already best friends, already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends.
Hi, Juki!
Ano na nga natin?
Huwag bumiiwan ng tulog. Di wala talaga.
Ay, I miss you, Ma'am Jan. Di na ako nakakapag-live madalas eh, no?
Ayun eh.
Namimiss niyo ba ako kapag di ako nag-live? Yes. Eto si CJ, laro kaya.
Ninyik, napag-shigtok na naman ako ninyik.
Ano gagawin niya?
Ginagawa mo girl. Naging ML girl.
Sino yun, girl?
Ano gawa mo girl? Girl, bigay na nga girl. Nakamatch ka ba girl? Kaya na.
Tara natin! Uy, thank you, Ate Ems.
Timid, messy.
John Robert, hello. Di ba kaganyan lang yung personality niya?
Yun na ipa-follow na.
Sir CJ, ah. Hello, Erlen. Thank you so much, Lara J. Uy! Nakakatawa. Tingin, natalo tayo!
Guys, yun naka-assist din guys. O, mag-door tayo.
Ba't naman ganon? Hello?
Hi, how are you?